Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to this Monday. So, from what I hear, there's a lot of stocks that have been going down today. So I did take opportunity of one of those. Let's see what I got going on for the day. So I'm doing this video a little bit early before the market closes because I'm about to go do some stuff and I'm going to be pretty busy for the rest of the day. So I figured I'd get this done now and I could just post the total later on. But see, I was in Cvna for quite a while, right? And I got out of there today at 13.70. So I made quite a bit of profit, about 50, maybe about 70, $70, somewhere right in between there. Right? So if you see my past week, I'm up over $130. My month up 190. 3 months still down, but I'm gonna work my way back up. But for the day, I am up almost $4. I assume it will be greater than this, but we will see. So msdi keeps doing this little thing, but it hasn't reached 50 cents again. I have a sell limit on here for 50 cents. Once it reaches 50 cents, it will sell. But there's not too much volume going on in this stock. Zyne is now at 16.86. I bought in here at 16.74. It did go down, and I could have averaged down, but I didn't want to get out of my other positions too soon. Cvna was not at the price that I wanted to sell at, so my waiting, it just didn't work out well. And WWE I'm holding on to until tomorrow. Tomorrow is the pre-earnings date, to where you have to own the stock a couple of days or the day of that day. You can sell it that day, you can do whatever you want, but you have to own it that day or prior to that day. And you get a dividend. So see how much the dividend, it's supposed to be about, I believe, 12 cents. So I've got 5 shares. It's not going to be a lot, but if I make a gain and get a dividend, it's a win-win. Linu. I did buy a couple more shares when it was down here. It hasn't helped me too much. I'm down $14 on it, but I mean, it hasn't affected me too much. But that's about my decisions for the day. Cvna is at the price where I sold it. So I see that as like a top part. I might buy into that again tomorrow at a certain point. AMD did pretty well from the open today. GoPro I got out of to be able to get into zyne. Keeping an eye on jnug for that crash down. I know everybody's having a little uncertainty, and apparently from uncertainty, it kind of drives the price on this one. So I'll wait for that to come back down to my ground level, and I'll play back around with that one. And I'm just watching a couple other stuff. cetx I was playing around with for a while back when, but I'm going to sit this one out for a bit and just continue to watch. Dcth is a little too volatile for me at the moment, because apparently there's reshuffling going on or whatever and whatnot. I'm not getting involved with that, so I'll just keep an eye on it, and that's about it. So at the moment, whenever it decides to load, oh, it went down a bit, up $2. Whatever. There's a lot of different things that are popping up here. We're gonna wrap this up. Hopefully you guys are having a great green day and a great Monday, and we'll see where this goes today. And until tomorrow, stay green. Alright, so I just added a quick day trade right here. I'm watching it. I'm in here, $63.99. It's just fluctuating around right now. I'm assuming this is going to come right back up pretty soon. I'm going to trade this out at some point today. Zyne took a big dip right now, so hopefully whatever I do make on this, I can come put this back over here and make back some money. But for now, I'm going to keep an eye on this. I'll keep you guys posted, because it doesn't seem like this is going to quite blast off just at the moment. There's a lot of people buying, a lot of people selling, but we'll see where I get out of this one. Keep you guys posted. Alright, well, we're a minute away from the market. Well, the market is closed, and I decided to hold on to jdst. I bought a share of cetx. I bought one more share of zyne and a couple of more of Linu. I see Linu just went up a little bit, not quite to where I averaged down yet. jdst, I decided to hold jdst because its chart shows quite promising. I believe it's gonna gap in the morning tomorrow, as long as all goes well. I haven't really been keeping track of much news, like news, but I just feel like it's just at a quite low point. It's gonna come up from where I purchased it. I did set a couple of lines. It did manage to break that line, so I don't think it's gonna quite come back down to where I did buy it at. But it is pretty risky, I will say that for sure. Like at the moment, I know I am up $1.16 with just 2 shares, but I mean, it can get pretty ridiculous. I can be up just a couple of dollars with just 2 shares, you feel me? And that's pretty much what I'm looking for. And I was at the red again towards the end of the market. It was down 3 cents when the market closed, but now I'm up $1.69. So I'm gonna let that rock out, and I'll post my total at 6 o'clock. I'm gonna get this video put together, and I'm gonna get it to you guys. You guys enjoy, like, subscribe. I do a daily stock market recap. We do professional wrestling most Saturdays. I did have a show yesterday, or this past Saturday. It was pretty good. I just didn't have my phone charged, which is a pretty downfall. I need to buy a camera. But yeah, so for this daily stock market recap, it's been a pretty good day. From down $27 to being up $1.69. I think it's pretty good. But we'll see where this goes. Hopefully you guys stay green and have a great day.